Hello and welcome. I will show you how to change colors of an image. Here is an image. I will just drag it in and zoom in with Control mouse wheel. And now let's change the colors. Of course, I can just pick a color here, pick any one here, press OK, use the bucket tool and then fill colors. And I can just keep doing this. But this is tedious and only possible when you have solid colors. Let me undo that with Ctrl Z twice. Instead, a much easier method is to go to Colors, go to Color Balance, and change these bars to change the color. Just press OK to confirm. I'll just undo that and show another method. You can go to Colors and pick Colorize. And here the top bar will allow you to move along the entire spectrum, and you can make changes regarding lightness and saturations in the bars below. So for example, we made everything green with this one. Just press OK, and now all you have to do is save. So let's go to File, not Save and not Save As, but instead Export As. And here we're going to call this green.png, of course. Export and export again. And we're done. The file is now here. And here it is. And we can just continue like that. Let's go to Color, Colorize. Let's make something yellowish. Maybe a bit more light, maybe a bit more saturation. And OK. And again, Export, File, Export As, or Control-Shift-E. And let's call this yellow, of course. And export, and so on and so on. So I hope this helped. Please subscribe to support this channel, and I will see you next time. Until then, ciao!